Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a complete pumping tutorial and explain the simple steps that can help make your pumping routine comfortable and easy to follow. For many mothers, pumping feels confusing in the beginning. Learning how to use the pump, organize your supplies, and build a routine takes a little time, but it becomes much easier with regular practice. The first step is preparation. Wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. A clean setup helps create a safe and comfortable pumping experience. Next, choose a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Keeping your back supported and relaxing your shoulders can help make the session more enjoyable. Before starting the pump, keep your storage container, water bottle, and cleaning supplies within reach. Being prepared helps you avoid interruptions during the session. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle setting. There is no need to increase the suction too quickly. A slow and comfortable start often works best for new mothers. During the session, try to stay relaxed and avoid constantly checking the amount of milk being collected. Every session can be different, and small, daily changes are completely normal. Once the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if necessary. Good organization makes future feedings much easier. Afterward, wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to air dry before storing them. Proper cleaning helps keep your pump ready for the next session. Remember that pumping is a skill that improves with time. The more familiar you become with your routine, the more comfortable and confident you will feel. With patience, consistency, and good preparation, pumping can become a simple and stress-free part of your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.